A growing concern amid the pandemic, the subways. Their purpose is to get essential workers where they need to go. But conductors tell us the trains are filthier than ever and likely just transmitting disease. CBS 2's Bauman live at Columbus Circle with more for us tonight. Allie?
Well, Christine, the MTA says only about 5% of its regular ridership is taking the subway during this pandemic, and that's mostly made up of people who work in hospitals, grocery stores, and other essential services. But conductors say the subways are looking more like homeless shelters these days, and social distancing is nearly impossible.
No mask, no mask.
Cell phone video shows subway cars lined with people passed out, using shoes as pillows with trash piled in shopping carts.
There is an astronomical amount of homeless people now in the subway.
Jamel Thompson is an MTA train conductor.
The Metropolitan Transportation Authority is now the Metropolitan Transmission Authority. They are transporting this virus.
The MTA has been urging that only essential workers who rely on mass transit ride the subway during this pandemic, and service has been cut to about 75%. But one conductor who asked to remain anonymous says that's only making the trains less sanitary.
Because we have less trains to work with, the homeless in the system congregate on fewer trains, so it's way more evident now than it's ever been. It's causing a hazard to MTA employees and the people that we have to transport during this time.
The MTA says since early March, the entire fleet of subway cars and buses gets disinfected every 72 hours. But its conductors tell us they're not seeing that.
The trash, the feces, the urine is there. It's just a very toxic, unsafe environment.
We'll get a call from somebody on the train. They'll press the passenger intercom, and one of them is urinating in the car. And because we have so few trains, we have to ride back and forth.
An NYPD spokesperson says officers are patrolling the subways, but without a doubt, disruptive passengers are more visible now and burglaries are up. Wednesday, acting head of the Transit Authority, Sarah Feinberg, said she's urging the city to take more aggressive steps to address the problem.
It is without a doubt a city obligation and responsibility. It's safe to say everyone here is losing patience.
That prompted this response from Mayor de Blasio Thursday.
I don't understand what she's saying, because the NYPD has been out there in force trying to address this issue. If she's losing patience, I don't know why she hasn't called me.
And while the officials are finger pointing, more than 50 transit workers have died from COVID-19.
I just want them to take us seriously, to take our health seriously.
And transit sources tell us the acting president, Sarah Feinberg, has asked repeatedly for a meeting with the mayor, but so far de Blasio has not obliged. We're live in Columbus Circle. Allie Bauman, CBS 2 News.